Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Nissan D40 Navara STX dual cab ute, stock reference number 5497. The shape runs from the 3rd month 2008 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel-drive transmission. YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, TJM snorkel, King's roof rack with awning and solar panel, a set of Monster 17-inch alloy mags, all with no rash and good tyres. Left power door mirror in chrome. Left front door has one small dent, left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 17-inch Monster alloy mag with a good tyre. King's tub rack with camper top. Left tail light. Right rear 17-inch Monster alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has two small dents. And a right front 17-inch Monster alloy mag with a good tyre. Sold as a set. Power window master switch, twin plug type. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. Auto console, auto gear shifter, climate control, heater controls. Aftermarket JVC touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, UHF, Uniden brand, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster